HoneyBook subscriptions automatically renew, so if you no longer need the service, it's crucial to cancel before your next billing cycle. The primary method to cancel is through your account settings. Here's the step-by-step process you need to follow. If you can't access your account settings, you have alternative methods. You can contact customer support via email, live chat, or phone with your account details and cancellation request. As a last resort, if you paid through PayPal, you can cancel the subscription directly through your PayPal account. You can also contact your credit card company to block future charges. Timing is critical when canceling your subscription. Make sure to cancel at least 24 to 48 hours before your next billing cycle to avoid being charged for another period. Before canceling your HoneyBook subscription, there are several critical steps you must take to protect your business data and maintain client relationships. First and most importantly, export all your critical business data. This includes your client contacts, active projects, completed invoices, and any custom templates you've created. Complete any pending client work and inform your clients about the platform change if you're switching to a different service. Also, review any outstanding invoices or payments that need to be processed. During the actual cancellation process, proper documentation is essential to avoid billing disputes and ensure a smooth transition. Document every step you take during the cancellation process. Save all confirmation emails and carefully note the effective cancellation date. Most importantly, verify that no future charges are scheduled. After canceling your subscription, ongoing monitoring is crucial to ensure the cancellation was processed correctly and no unexpected charges occur. Monitor your bank and credit card statements carefully for at least 90 days. Keep your cancellation confirmation emails as proof. If any unexpected charges appear, follow up immediately with customer support. There are several additional considerations to keep in mind when canceling your HoneyBook subscription that can help you make the best decision for your business. Be aware that some users report difficulty finding cancellation options in the interface. The platform may also present alternative plans or discounts during the cancellation process to retain your business. Understand HoneyBook's data retention policies and plan accordingly for data backup and migration needs. If cost is your primary concern, consider downgrading to a lower-tier plan or exploring seasonal suspension options instead of full cancellation.